Hello and welcome to WordPress Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a website into a beautiful Android or iOS app. I am creating my Android app because I do not have any account on App Store, Apple App Store, so I'll only build Android app. And this is my blog. As you can see, I have 6 to 7 blogs already uploaded, and I'll use my link wordpresspioneers.com. Let me first copy this, and I'll build an Android app out of this WordPress blog. So first of all, come to Google and search for Swiftic, and the first link appeared is Swiftic iPhone and Android app maker. So click on the link, or you can directly open swiftic.com. Okay, you will see a screen like this, and the first thing you need to do is to join. Click on this join, and if you have a Facebook account, then log in with Facebook. It will be easier to register to this site. After this, you will be redirected to your dashboard. I already built some apps, and this is my dashboard. You will not see any of these apps. It will be a new app. So click on create new app first. Okay, then first step, you will add your app name, WordPress Pioneers, and click on next. The app name will be appeared here. This is the preview of your app. Now it will require a Facebook page link, but we will give it our website link, which is wordpresspioneers.com. click next. Now choose a category. For the blog, there is no category mentioned here, so I'll choose other. Click next, and then it will redirect me to the editor where we can use the icons and place them according to our website. So first of all, this is the blank app. You can change the background for this and add some features. So first of all, we will add a home page link. Click on add and click on all features. Scroll down and click web page. Okay, first feature must be something else, such as Facebook. We will add the Facebook URL later, but let's just add another feature, which is our web page. Now enter your web page URL, which was wordpresspioneers.com, and this is our home page. So change the feature name from web page to home. And now we will change the icon for this. So click here, edit, and on the icon, choose a suitable icon and click OK. Okay, here is our web page, and if you click the menu, we will see two icons, one Facebook and second one is home. So if you click home, then it will show you the website home page, which is exactly my WordPress home page. Now we will add some further links. Because we are building a native app, it will not be treated as the Android web app, because we have the links right here. So we will then add the contact us link. Let's get the contact us page, copy link, and add a contact us page here. All features, click web page. Now paste the contact us page URL here and save it, and change the link name to contact us. Now if you click here, you will see Facebook, home, and web page, which is this contact us now. Let's change the icon, which is let's add this email like icon for this feature. Now we have a contact us. If you click on contact us, there will be your contact form or your address, etc. So this is home page, this is contact us, and if you add your Facebook here, you must provide a URL. And save it. Let's add our page link, and once you click on Facebook, your page will be loaded here in the app, and home page will be your website's home page, and contact us will be your contact page. Click on save button to save all the settings you did on your app. Now click on done editing. Now it will send you to the monthly plan. You can choose this monthly plan for trial base and pay this $39, and then it will allow you to download the APK file, and then you can publish it on your platform. Whether it's on Android or iOS, you can do both for this price. So this was all for today's video. I hope you learned something from this. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out future updates. Thank you.